Jeff Kidder back with KidderCards.com. We are finishing up box number 1 of a 4-box break of 2013 Press Pass NASCAR Racing. And let's continue with Elliott Sadler, Kurt Busch, Michael McDowell, black and white, Matt Kenseth, Ryan Newman, Timothy Peters, Off Track, Martin Truex Jr., NASCAR Unites, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Black and White, David Rudiman, David Gilliland, Jeff Gordon, Tony Stewart, Joanna Long, Cool Persistence, Kevin Harvick. And we finished the first box with black and white Justin Allgaier. Some nice hits in that first box. 2 burning rubbers and 1 Travis Pastrana auto redemption. Alright, we've got the right box and the 2 left boxes remaining in this 4-box break. Which one's next? You guys tell me which box you want. Top left. Alright. Top left it is. Empty box. Let's count the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, there's our 30 packs in this box. Again, this was a sellout tonight. Thank you to everybody. If this is your first time with us, welcome. If you're a repeat, welcome. Appreciate the continued support from our repeat customers, and welcome the new customers as well. We really appreciate it. We wouldn't be here without you. And tonight was a sellout. So everybody gets 2 packs of the brand new 2013 Press Pass NASCAR Racing for participating tonight. Sellout, we double the packs from 1 to 2. Alright, that was pack number 30. It's back a little bit. Alright. Let's get going. Start out with David Gilliland. Matt Kenseth. Over the Wall, Pit Crew. Kyle Busch. Elliott Sadler. Kurt Busch. Black and White, Matt Kenseth. Jeff Burton. Michael Waltrip. Off track, Martin Truex Jr. NASCAR Unites, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Another Herb Thomas, NASCAR Hall of Fame. David Gilliland, Black and White. Martin Truex Jr. NASCAR Unites. Ryan Truex. Jeff Gordon. Tony Stewart. Joanna Long. Here's a black and white of Michael Waltrip. Danica Patrick. Off track, Dale Earnhardt Jr. James Busher. Greg Biffle. Here's a Buck Baker, number 6 of 50, NASCAR Hall of Fame. Buck Baker. So we can get that to focus there. There it is, 6 of 50 for Buck Baker, NASCAR Hall of Fame. I believe that goes to the field, which is John McClellan. Congrats, John. Jeff Burton, black and white. Casey Kane. Landon Castle. Off track, Carl Edwards. Jimmy Johnson, NASCAR Unites. Here's a cool persistence. Danica Patrick. Ryan Truex, black and white. Pit Crew, Casey Kane. Travis Pastrana. Marcos Ambrose. Oh, sorry about that. I dropped all the cards. That wouldn't have been good. Caught him. Parker Kligerman. Racing Champions, Matt Kenseth. That's a pretty cool looking card right there. All the confetti's coming out. Martin Truex Jr. black and white, NASCAR Unites. Austin Dillon. This is our first NASCAR break, actually. Ryan Newman off track, but this was a sellout, so we will definitely be putting up, here's another checklist, we'll definitely be putting up another, probably another 4-box 2013 Press Pass. Kevin Harvick. Eric Almirola. We'll be doing, you know, as long as we can get the cards at reasonable prices, we'll continue to do all the NASCAR breaks. Dale Earnhardt, off track. Hopefully we'll be able to support the whole 2013 season. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Casey Mears. Yeah, try to shuffle the cards, huh? That wouldn't be good. Here's a Tony Stewart over-the-wall pit crew. I tried. Thank goodness I caught myself. Kurt Busch. There's a Sam Hornish Jr. Black and white. Hot seat, Jimmy Johnson. Over-the-wall pit crew for Dale Earnhardt Jr. Danica Patrick. Hot seat, Danica Patrick. Carl Edwards, NASCAR Unites. Danica Patrick, black and white. Ryan Newman, off track. Over the wall, pit crew, Casey Kane. Another checklist. I'll just split these checklists amongst the people that have the 3 drivers. I don't think there's any reason to random checklists. It looks like there's going to be plenty of checklists to go around. Kevin Harvick, off track. NASCAR Unites, Eric Almirola. Bobby Labonte, black and white. I like these black and white cards. They're pretty cool, considering all the color that Press Pass puts in these. Put the black and whites in there. Makes this set really stand out. Dale Earnhardt Jr. I mean, for the base Press Pass cards, these are really sharp. Casey Mears. Austin Dillon. Kurt Busch. Racing Champions, Marcos Ambrose. Very nice. Holding the checkered flag. Black and white, Kurt Busch. Trevor Bayne. Regan Smith. Miguel Paludo. And Joe Nemechek. Alright, got a second stack here. Cool Persistence, Denny Hamlin. Hot Seats, black and white, Jimmy Johnson. Hot Seat, Tony Stewart. Pit Crew, over the wall. Number 99, Carl Edwards. Kyle Busch. Here we go. Here's an insert. Burning Rubber again, Brad Keselowski. It's the second one in 2 boxes, number 37 of 199. Unbelievable. Brad Keselowski. Burning Rubber. I believe that was Tom. Is that Tom? Yep, that's Tom. Congratulations, Tom. 2 Brad Keselowski race used victory tires. Wow, in 2 boxes. Sweet. Nice hit for Tom. Here's a black and white Marcos Ambrose. David Rudiman. Michael McDowell. Justin Lofton. Dave Blaney. Racing Champions Tony Stewart. Doing a little burnout there after the victory. Black and white, Travis Pastrana. Ty Dillon. Justin Allgaier. Kyle Busch. Mark Martin, NASCAR Unites. Jeff Burton, NASCAR Unites. Here's a black and white over the wall for Casey Kane, Pit Crew. Juan Pablo Montoya. Pit Crew for Marcos Ambrose, over the wall. Mark Martin. Hot seat, Jeff Gordon. Here's a Cup Chase contest card for Kurt Busch. I think we had a Dale Earnhardt Jr. in the first box. This is a Kurt Busch in the second box. Cup Chase. Got a code on the back for redemption of some sort. I think they were saying it was potentially you could win a Press Pass enabling collectors. First prize. Cup Chase set. Ryan Newman off track, black and white. Eric Almirola. Jeff Gordon. Hot seat, Carl Edwards. There it goes. NASCAR Unites, Juan Pablo Montoya. Trevor Bayne. Black and white of Austin Dillon. Jimmy Johnson. Cole Witt. Paul Menard. Tony Stewart. Carl Edwards. Black and white, Casey Mears. Hot seat, Kyle Busch. Over the wall pit crew for Denny Hamlin. Off track, Kyle Busch. NASCAR Unites, Kyle Busch. Taylor Malsom. Sorry, I mispronounced him earlier. Black and white, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Kevin Harvick. Kevin Harvick hot seat. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Kyle Busch. Here's a Racing Champions. Greg Biffle. Can barely see his car through the smoke. Black and white, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Here's David Reagan. Clint Boyer. Josh Wise. Over the wall pit crew for the 48, Jimmy Johnson. Hot seat, Casey Kane. Over the wall pit crew, black and white for Dale Earnhardt Jr. Kevin Harvick. Jeff Gordon off track. Brad Keselowski. Martin Truex Jr. Here's an autograph. Ryan Newman autograph. 22 of 25 for Ryan Newman. Ryan Newman. Sweet looking card. 22 of 25. Ryan Newman goes to Tom. Tom is cleaning up right now. Ryan Newman auto goes to Tom. 22 of 25. Beautiful looking card. Nice crisp signature on that white background. That blue on the white looks beautiful. Nice hit, Tom. In a black and white, Casey Kane finishes that stack. All right. Let's finish off box number 2 here. Here's a Jamie McMurray. Ron Hornaday Jr. Bobby Labonte. Joey Logano. Pit crew over the wall for Jeff Gordon. Black and white off track, Jeff Gordon. Denny Hamlin. Hot seat, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Jimmy Johnson. Elliott Sadler. Kurt Busch. Black and white of Kevin Harvick. Timothy Peters. Sam Hornish Jr. Off track, Martin Truex Jr. NASCAR Unites, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Over the wall, Kyle Busch, pit crew. Black and white of Michael McDowell. Matt Kenseth. Brian Newman. Tony Stewart. Joanna Long. Racing Champions, Brad Keselowski. Black and white, David Rudiman. Michael Waltrip. David Gilliland. James Busher. Greg Biffle. Jeff Gordon. Black and white of Justin Allgaier. NASCAR Unites, Martin Truex Jr. Ryan Truex. Jeff Burton. Oh, here we go, Jeff Gordon. Burning rubber. Jeff Gordon. Pocono Raceway, race used victory tire. This thing to focus. Numbered 51 of 199. 51 of 199. Burning rubber. Jeff Gordon. Nice hit for Richie. Nice hit for Richie. Jeff Gordon, burning rubber. 51 of 199. Congrats. Beautiful looking card. Ty Dillon, black and white. Danica Patrick. Dale Earnhardt Jr. off track. Landon Castle. Off track, Carl Edwards. NASCAR Unites, Jimmy Johnson. Black and white, Marcos Ambrose, pit crew over the wall. Travis Pastrana. Marcos Ambrose. Casey Kane. Parker Kligerman. And let's see, here we go, Travis Pastrana, numbered 4 of 35, blue. 4 of 35, Travis Pastrana. Goes to Dan again. Travis Pastrana gets the auto redemption in box 1, gets a 4 of 35 in box 2. Blue Travis Pastrana, sweet looking card. Congrats, Dan. And a black and white Juan Pablo Montoya to finish out box number 2. Wow. Nice, nice hits. All right. Got the right box and the left box. Left. 2 boxes left, 2 boxes down. I would get a bonus point for leading halfway through, but they changed that rule. If you're leading on that halfway through lap, you get the bonus. No bonus. I lead the most laps. Left or right? Two boxes left. Left or right? Which one's it going to be? Somebody pick one. Left it is. All right. I'll take the left box here. All right. There's the empty box. Let's count the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's 30 packs. Put these off to the side here. Let's go.